According to the module, first language acquisition refers to our L1 or language 1, which is our mother tongue. I think teachers should be able to understand their students' language learning development because it can help them to construct strategies that may support students' language learning improvement. I can say that in my personal experience, the process of language input and output relates the best. It is because I realized that when I was a child, I imitated my parents' and siblings' way of speaking and their language until I was finally able to construct a sentence and give feedback effectively. In that way, I believe that the concept of input and output relates the best with my experience. I think the social relationship theory is the most convincing for me because it states that our language learning starts with the social interaction. Ever since my childhood, I have been interacting with different people, and each person I interacted with instills me with knowledge through communication. So by that, I believe that social interaction is the most compelling theory among the theories about first language acquisition. Parents or caregivers are the people who take care of a person during their childhood, and we all know that we acquire our first language during this period. So our parents or our caregivers are the foundation of our first language. Learning, for we perceive them as our guide, imitating their actions and language. In addition, they are also our best friends, which we constantly interacting with way back. So by that, I think that they hold the utmost influence in our language acquisition. Cultural and social factors are significant during our first language acquisition because it is the first foundational knowledge we acquire within our environment, and it shapes who we are outside our household. For example, Bulakeños and Nabuteños have different accents and dictions when speaking with each other, and it depicts our cultural and social context play their roles during our first language acquisition. I think that as a teacher, understanding the first language acquisition of a student might help us develop teaching strategies and support students in our own way that help students to feel more comfortable and confident during their first acquisition period. I believe that one of the best strategies that we can use as an educator is the encouragement of collaborative and interactive learning among students. Why? Because it fosters the improvement that a student may obtain when interacting with one another. By that, I believe that we can support language development in students, especially when they are learning multiple languages.